AIs are taking over and I'm going to show you how to make money with them. So what I want you to do is go over to shineranker.com. Okay, once you're there, I'm going to show you how very easy it is to create a free account. Simply just click on the button, start your free trial, create the free account, because you're only going to use it for as much as you need. Go to content creator. All right, once you've gone to content editor, type in what you want to talk about. Soon as you've typed in what you want to talk about, it's going to make you a script. Okay, once that's done, copy and paste the script and go over to synthia.io. That's synthesa.io. Once you're there, guess what happens? You paste the script in and it actually makes you an AI video. So just like this, press create a free AI video. Once you've done that, it's going to come up with different templates. Choose a template of your choice. Type your script in where it says edit your video script and it will make the video for you. It doesn't take long at all. Once you've done that, save the video. Guess where you're going to go next? Go straight over to YouTube, because now you can have a fully running YouTube channel able to get monetized. If you love this video, guys, please follow along and like and follow for more how-to videos.